If you're a Twitch Prime member and you like to watch Twitch on your mobile device, you may want to toss that sweet Twitch Prime gift sub to a streamer that you like. Hey, maybe even Wild for Games. But you kind of notice that when you go on the Twitch app, there's no easy way to use your Twitch Prime sub. But I'm going to show you an awesome little workaround to where you can use that on any mobile device. Let's go. Hey, real quick, before we begin, my name's Wild for Games, and I like to help everybody out on their streaming platforms with tips, tricks, how-tos, and all that fun stuff. If that sounds like that's perfect for you, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button down below and tick that bell so you know when my videos go live for you. I think we can all agree the Twitch app is pretty lacking, especially when it comes to help supporting your favorite streamer. And it's a real shame that you can't easily toss your Twitch Prime sub through the mobile app, but don't worry. Easy little workaround here. All you need to do on any mobile device is open up a web browser and go to twitch.tv. Now you'll notice when you first type it in, it's going to bring you to the mobile site represented by the M dot in front of twitch.tv. If you're on an iOS device, up in the URL bar is a little A and big A. Tap on this and there you'll see request desktop site. If you're on an Android device, go to the top where you see the three dots and go to desktop site and tick on that. When you do this, it's going to remove that M dot, which is essentially getting rid of the mobile site and redirecting you to the browser desktop site. From here, just log in your account like normal. Now that you're logged in, you have all the same capabilities on your mobile device as you would on a desktop device. Simply go to your favorite streamer. When you go to that subscribe button, underneath that is where you can use your Twitch Prime subscription through your mobile device. This is a quick little easy hack and tip and trick. If you need any more, hey, that's what my channel is all about. Gonna put a few more videos and tips and tricks over here to the right hand side because my name's Wild for Games and I'm here to make your streaming adventures a little bit easier. I'll check you all later. Take care, and of course, peace.